So you can hear some jazz in the park down there. So this is Sao Domingos. We're in Sao Domingos now, and that's Senado Square. So we're gonna walk down that way, and then you can see Sao Domingos right here as well. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're going to be going towards that jazz in the park. This is Largo de Sao Domingos with all these shops like this. Second story stuff too. Third story stuff. Beautiful Sao Domingos Church. Then Sao Paulo Ruins goes all the way up. So this is, so if you go all the way down that way and then you go all the way up there, it goes to Sao Paulo Ruins. So that's pretty nice. Sao Domingos Church right there. And then this one you can kind of go down to this marketplace. There's like a red market, shopping kind of stuff. But what we're gonna do is stick with Senado Square. Oh, the jazz music just must be between sets now, or between songs. It's kind of nice when they had it going. So you got this beautiful street here. The stuff above us changes all the time, so sometimes it'll be a different kind of thing. There's a Grand Lisboa casino up to that alleyway. Let's just kind of walk over that way a little bit. So yeah, you can see the lighting up there. So that blue lighting is Grand Lisboa casino. So it's not too far away. Then you got these beautiful little streets like that. That's the main street. Okay. You've got Sao Domingos right there as well. So yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, this is actually when you have tourists, when the tourists come in, there'll be people with cameras everywhere in this area. It is pretty beautiful actually. You got those beautiful doors too, right? And plus you got different shops, like this shop here. It's kind of cool. Got newspaper shops. Just kind of walk into it a little bit. It has a totally different feel, right? Once you walk in here, it's like... Then you're gonna walk back out again. Okay. It's beautiful. Got a big pipe. There's a pharmacy here. Farmacia Popular. Very popular pharmacy. And now we're going to walk into Senado Square. Got a fortress right over there. Well, that's the one that we're just coming off of right there. So of course we got another little alley right there as well. Then in here, there's a place you can drink. You can get beer or different things in this space. So yeah, they sell like beer, popcorn, cakes, things like that. This one's selling some fruit. Kind of go up there a little bit closer and see. Selling some souvenir stuff. Thanks here too. We got those little alleys like that. Sounds beautiful with the music. Oh, this is usually lit up. There's usually lighting here. Okay. Really nice. There's a place to get coffee over here. There's a coffee shop right over there. I think what we'll do is we'll just end this one as we get closer to the musician. Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da boca.